Hey there, I'm Joel Lightcatcher, and I want to see you in the air flying your own FPV drone, or as we like to call them, quadcopters. I've created the beginner's guide to building your own drone, and I'm going to show you some scenes right now. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few minutes. I've set up a quadcopter in this indoor test rig to show how the different controls of the radio affect the quadcopter. Let's connect our battery and begin our demonstration. Our radio has 4 controls on the sticks. This is a mode 2 configuration, so we have our throttle on the left, apply minimum power to full power to our motors. On the left, we have yaw or spin left, yaw or spin right. On the right side, we have pitch. Move forward, move backward. That's pitch. We have roll to the right and roll to the left. Let's turn on our motors and demonstrate this. As I apply throttle, you can see how the craft tries to fly upward. Throttle picks the quad up. Yaw spins to the left, spins to the right. Pitch goes forward and backwards. Forward, backwards. And roll to the right and the left. And you can use these sticks in all different combinations to make your quadcopter do whatever you can imagine.
Safe mode.
And the motors are off. 2 ways that people like to use the sticks are the thumb method, which is very casual and very comfortable. And then, for precision pilots, there's the pinch method, where they're holding the radio firmly and using the index finger and thumb to move the sticks. This can take a bit of getting used to. I recommend you begin with the thumb method. Welcome to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed yourself and learned something today. If you did, please leave a comment below. Introduce yourself, say hi, and I want you to meet someone. That's Ed. Ed's my assistant. When you click on Ed's head, you subscribe to this channel because I put out fresh quadcopter videos every week. And if you subscribe, you'll know about it. You'll be the first to know about it. Until next time, I will see you in the air.